So I'm here at Walmart witnessing the potential downfall of humanity. So they just put this thing active, and from the looks of it, it looks like it's maybe scanning merch to see how much is stocked or something. But like the the beginning of the downfall of humanity starts right here, I guess, because like apparently they're already like trying to outsource labor or something, and it's just like, look at this and be terrified, all right? Just look at this and be terrified, because this is where the downfall of society begins, right here. Yeah. It starts small, but trust me, we're all next. We're all going to succumb. I guess that concludes my rant piece right here.